Hello friends, today I am going to show you the recipe of plain kulcha. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some maida, curd, baking soda, oil, salt, sugar, butter, some finely chopped coriander leaves, baking powder and black sesame seeds. So let's start. Now in a bowl, take 2 cups of maida in it. Then add 1 cup of curd in it. With that, salt as per taste, sugar 1 tablespoon, oil 1 to 2 tablespoon, baking powder 1 tablespoon and baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. And now we are going to add water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. I knead it into a soft dough. And now we are going to cover it with a plate and rest it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough has set well and now we are going to knead it for 5 minutes. I knead it for 5 minutes. And now we are going to take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. I rolled it into a ball. And now we are going to spread some black sesame seeds and some chopped coriander leaves. Press it gently. And now we are going to turn it and roll it into a oval shape. I rolled it into a oval shape. And now we are going to grease some water on it. I greased some water on it. And now we are going to go to the cooking process. Now take a pan and place the kulcha on it. And now we are going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the one side has cooked and now I am going to turn the pan. And now we are going to cook it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I turned the pan. And now we are going to scrape the sides and transfer it into a plate. I transferred it into this plate. And now I am going to grease some butter on it. I greased some butter on it. So as you can see, it is so yummy. So this is my delicious and tasty plain kulcha recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.